Hello people, this is Monica from Pintarte and I wanted to explain to you what we just did with this garage door. We were trying to match the front door wood grain, and which is very simple. We just pick up the color of the lightest color, so we make a base, and then after that we just mix some glaze with the color the door has. Then we just go gentle with the brush strokes, because in this case the wood was like really simple. If you want anything to be matched, we can do any kind of wood on any surface. We have furniture, walls, doors, anything. You just have to contact us on Pintarte on Facebook or Instagram or Twitter. And thank you for watching.